Helen with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, it was definitely a toasty one yesterday with temperatures reaching 82 degrees at the ILM airport, and that's actually where we should be for this time of year, but although it did feel pretty sticky outside as well, so definitely a hot one out there, but at least no rainfall yesterday. We had plenty of sunshine out there, a few clouds, and that was the case through the overnight hours, and that's allowed our temperatures to drop into the 60s, a few 50s across the area, 57 degrees in Jacksonville and Holly Shelter this morning, 63 degrees in Elizabethtown, 61 in Whiteville, and good morning, Port City. We're sitting at 62 degrees, and dew point temperatures, they're not too bad either. They're in the upper 50s to lower 60s, so things are feeling tolerable outside. Not too bad, nice and comfortable as you're stepping out the door. Storm Track 3 radar and satellite, quiet conditions, not even a cloud right now over the southeastern North Carolina, so it's definitely going to be a nice sunrise here in just a little bit. And it's going to continue to have that nice weather through the weekend, and it's going to stick around into the early part of next week as well until a cold front arrives late Monday, and that's going to bring rain and storm chances for the middle part of our week as well. So until then, some nice weather. Just have to deal with some isolated and spotty showers in nature over the next few days and into the weekend. You can see a high pressure system still offshore. That's going to be bringing more easterly winds, and that's going to bring a nice little breeze if you're going to be down by the beaches, but again, inland locations, that's where you're going to have the chance to see an isolated shower in the afternoon. But look off to the west. This is our next system, that cold front that is going to eventually move into our area, not until late Monday into Tuesday. So this weekend, if you have any outdoor plans, it looks like it's going to be a nice one. See the weekend forecast, 83 degrees for today and into Saturday, and then a little bit warmer on Sunday with temperatures around 85 degrees. But inland locations, you're going to be flirting with that 90-degree value all weekend long. Just some clouds today and then a mix of sun and clouds throughout Saturday and Sunday. So if you want any plans this evening, the Downtown Sundown Concert Series is happening here in downtown Wilmington. So Water Street and Princess Street is happening from 6 to 10 o'clock tonight. If you want to head out there around 7 o'clock tonight, temperatures in the upper 70s, partly cloudy skies. Fantastic evening on tap. If you're wanting to head out to the beaches this weekend, today is going to be a nice one, setting up for a following nice weekend of weather as well. 81 degrees, water temperature finally feeling warm. Great to go out for a swim or a dip to cool you off. 78 degrees, waves around 3 feet. UV index, though, still high again today. Make sure you're wearing your sunscreen, and a moderate risk for rip currents for the day. Marine forecast, if boating is your choice for this afternoon, going to be not too bad. Offshore waters, you're getting a little rough, 4 to 7 feet, but if you say coastal waters, around 3 feet, so not too bad. Highs today in the 80s. Once again, lower 80s along the coastal regions, upper 80s in the inland locations. Lows tonight won't be as cool as what we had this morning, as they'll stay near 70 degrees along the coastline, but then the weekend forecast looking nice. Next week, though, that's when we're going to be keeping those rain chances and storm chances in the forecast. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just going to keep a close eye on that. And on Monday is the first day of the Atlantic hurricane season, so we will have a hurricane special airing at 5:30 p.m. on Monday, basically breaking down how to stay prepared for you and your family to stay safe this season, and kind of recapping some of those really important and significant storms that we've had here in the Cape Fear.
This is so important as we do head into hurricane season, because it might seem run-of-the-mill, but it's just so important. You can't be prepared enough.
Yeah, and it only takes one.
It only takes one.
Only
And they're
takes
relatively easy things you can do to be prepared. Just do them now so you don't have to worry about them later.
Yes.
Yeah.